Pergolas are an excellent addition to any outdoor space, whether you want a shaded area for relaxation or entertainment. But before you install one, you need to decide, do I want to build it myself or do I want to buy a pre-manufactured kit? We're going to dive into all those options today, check out the pros and cons of each one, and hopefully you'll learn something too. Hi, I'm Steve with Timber West Design. We build timber shade structures for outdoor living spaces. So what is a pergola? According to the dictionary, it's a framework of columns that supports a trellis work roof. And what is the purpose of a pergola? To provide shade and to enhance the aesthetic of your backyard. So, you've decided you want a pergola in your backyard. Are you handy with tools and want to build it yourself? Another popular option is to buy a pre-manufactured kit. Hopefully after this video, you will have a better grasp of all the options available to you. Now let's start with the build it from scratch option. A DIY wood pergola structure can be crafted using lumber from your local hardware store. This choice demands woodworking experience along with owning the right tools and knowing how to use them effectively. Additionally, having a set of plans is essential. Let's explore the pros and cons of building your own wood pergola. Here are the reasons why you would do that. Number 1, personalized touch. When you build your own wood pergola, you're calling the shots. Tailor it to your heart's content. From size and style to wood type and finish. It's like customizing your outdoor space exactly how you've always dreamed. Number 2, budget friendly. Going the DIY route can save you a bundle compared to buying a pre-made kit. Plus you have the freedom to choose materials that fit your budget without skimping on quality. Number 3, the feel-good factor. There's a real sense of accomplishment that comes with building something yourself, especially if you're a fan of woodworking. Imagine the satisfaction of kicking back under your homemade pergola knowing you crafted it with your own 2 hands. Let's dive into the downsides of building your own wood pergola project. 1, it's time consuming. Building your own wood pergola can eat up a lot of time, especially if you're not a seasoned woodworker. Depending on the complexity of your design, you could be looking at several weeks or even months to complete the project. Number 2, there's skill required. As I mentioned earlier, DIYing a wood pergola demands some serious woodworking chops. If you're not already experienced, be ready to roll up your sleeves and learn some new skills before diving in. Number 3, the risk of mistakes. Let's face it, we all make mistakes. But when it comes to building a pergola, errors can be costly and time-consuming to fix. This risk skyrockets if you're not following professional plans and instructions. Number 4, the equipment. Do you have a big pergola design in mind? Be prepared for some equipment limitations. Most home-use woodworking tools won't cut it for larger beams, especially if your pergola spans more than 10 to 12 feet between posts. Number 5, bolts and brackets. Connecting all those posts, beams and rafters and roof slats can be a headache. Bolts and brackets are an option, but they come with their own set of drawbacks. Wood and metal expand and contract at different rates and can loosen over time. And exposed metal has the potential for rust over time. Taking on a DIY project like this is no small feat. These cons are worth considering before grabbing your tools and diving in. Are you thinking about going the route of a pre-manufactured pergola kit? Here's what you need to know. A manufactured pergola kit is a prefabricated structure that is professionally designed. They come complete with all the necessary hardware and detailed instructions for assembly. But there is a vast range of quality differences. For example, here's a kit from a big box retailer. These are usually made from thinner wood and are bolted together. On the opposite end, you can buy a heavy-duty kit from a custom kit manufacturer like this. These kits are made to order and can be made to any size that you want. They both have their place in the market, and of course there is a huge price difference between the two, but you generally get what you pay for. The first one is more temporary option and the second one will last a lifetime. Now let's weigh the pros and cons of buying a pre-manufactured kit. 1, no woodworking skills needed. These kits usually come with detailed instructions and even instructional videos from some manufacturers that make assembly straightforward. With a couple of friends lending a hand, you could have it up in no time, often within a day or two. 2, time saving. You can skip the headache of designing, sourcing materials, and cutting it all up. 3, low risk. The design ensures all the parts fit together seamlessly. Some manufacturers even employ robotic technology for precision cutting, resulting in perfectly fitting components. 4. Dovetail joints. Some premium kits boast precision dovetail joints, eliminating the need for visible hardware and ensuring a sleek finish. 5. Beam and post sizes. Unlike the limited options at big box stores, some of the kit manufacturers offer a range of sizes, exceeding what home use chop saws can handle. This opens up possibilities for larger, sturdier structures. 6. Quality. Opting for a kit from a reputable company guarantees superior quality. With their expertise in wood selection and cutting techniques, you'll end up with a durable structure resistant to warping. Here are some cons for buying a pre-manufactured kit. First, we have to talk about the difference between a light-duty versus a heavy-duty pergola kit. The light-duty ones are typically from your big box stores. The heavy-duty ones are typically from custom manufacturers that specialize in building big, heavy timber structures. So one, for a light-duty kit, you have limited design options. While kits may offer some design and color choices, they pale in comparison to the endless possibilities of a custom-built structure. If you're set on a unique design, a kit from a big box store might not fit your needs. One of the cons of a heavy-duty kit is going to be the cost. While convenient, a heavy-duty manufactured pergola kit comes with a higher price tag. This is where you need to decide if you want short-term or a long-term solution. By now, you should have a clear understanding of all the options available to you to help you make an informed decision. If you have the skills, tools, and know-how, tackling a build-your-own pergola can be an option for you. If you're seeking a quick, hassle-free solution with a professionally designed and manufactured pergola, then a kit might be your best bet. Regardless of your choice, adding a pergola to your outdoor space promises many years of enjoyment and relaxation. So if you're ready to take your outdoor space to the next level, why not give us a shout? Head over to timberwestdesign.com. We can build you a custom-made kit that can be shipped to your city and installed by a local contractor. Stay tuned for more insights and videos. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more upcoming fun projects. Your dream outdoor sanctuary awaits, and I'm here to make it a reality. Until next time, thanks for watching.